Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Doom Mutated block in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots. So if you see the Volcanic update, and with it comes the most chaotic mutation yet, Doom. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Doom Mutated lucky block in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots. So, if you want to find the Doom Mutated block, first you just need to find in the area, of course. So for me, I got it while I explore in the legendary area. You can also get it in another area available, and if you see I'm going to show you how the blocks will look like. If you see these blocks with like I don't know, like lava or volcanic fire around it, this is the Doom Mutated block. So let's see what's inside my Doom legendary block. You can just click on it and let's see what I'll got. Okay, so I got the Cavallo Virtuoso in level 88. Let's see the Brainrots inside. Okay, this one. So this is the Doom Mutated Brainrots. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.